Yeah, hi, welcome to this very quick video. Now, if you are new to my channel, you won't know probably about, I've done some videos about Honeygain before, and you can check them out on my YouTube channel right here. This is one I've done recently about 3 tricks that you can actually go and use to earn more money using Honeygain. Had over 7,000 views in the last couple of months, so that's brilliant. So also check that out, and I'll put that video right at the end of this video as well, so make sure you watch that one next when you finish this one. What I'm going to be showing you today, how you can actually go and get a payout from Honeygain. So that's a cash out, payout, whatever you want to call it. And also I'm going to show you the payment proof. Okay, hopefully I'm going to do that live for you guys. So those of you who don't know Honeygain, basically it's an app of which you can download, and you can download it to a Windows version as well. And basically you share your internet, and then you start earning every day just by sharing your excess internet that you're not actually using. So it's very, very easy to do. All you've got to do is, like I say, is just come in, download it. You can also download it to your mobiles as well and have it running on your mobiles as well. Obviously, that is only good if you're on an internet connection. Don't do that if you're on 4G or something like that, because obviously, yeah, you will obviously not make any money on that because it's not your actual internet. So let's just whiz over to the dashboard. So once you've downloaded the Honeygain app, all it basically does, it registers and gathers excess data, or uses excess data from your internet, and then obviously puts it in your balance here. Now, if you use the link below here that I've actually put in, I'll put in the description, it actually gives you 5,000 points here that you can start off with for free. So if you wanted a free account and you wanted to get started with this as well, all you've got to do is click the link below, get your 5,000 points, and then obviously just download the app, and away you go, and that's it. Connect it to your internet and you're good to go. And all we do is just leave it running in the background. As you can see here, I've actually it's been turned off a few times and things like that, and some days I forget to actually activate it if my laptop's not on, and I've still obviously managed to get 20,000 points, and now I can request a payout. Now this will give you an amount of what you've earned so far before it gets to 20,000. Once you hit 20,000, you can then go and request a payout. Okay, so that's what I'm going to go and show you today. And as you can see, I haven't clicked this before, so this is the first time I'm making a payout. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will go according to plan. Okay, and I think it's a very simple process. So let's check it out right now. So like I say, all we're going to do is click on the request payout, and it says here, how would you like to receive your payout? PayPal or Bitcoin? Well, this one I'm going to do to my PayPal account, even though I have Bitcoin and I do sometimes withdraw stuff through Bitcoin and build up my Bitcoin. But I want to do PayPal because I think that's what the majority of people are probably going to do, because they're going to want some extra cash every month. So let's just hit the PayPal and then hit continue. And it says you are ready to collect your earnings, $20.27. And this usually takes up to 48 hours to process the payout request, so please be patient. So then all you have to do then, click that, and then it should send you an email. So let's just look for the email. Hopefully we'll get that through. Let's have a look and go and see if we've got the email through. Nothing through as yet. Let's just refresh. There we go, and there it is there, Honeygain team. So verification code for Honeygain. So that's my code. So all I do then is obviously put in the code, which gives me the verification code, and then put that in the box and click submit code. Bang, there we go. It's as simple as that, guys, and my $20 is on its way. And our payment partner is that there, so that's what it will show up with in my PayPal account. Tibality is the actual company, so that's the payment partner. So that's where it probably will say it's come from in my PayPal account. And obviously I'll try and obviously check out my PayPal account and add this to the video just to double check that it's gone through okay. So all you do now is click on OK, and we're back, and as you can see it is now back to a zero balance here, and as you can see this will then say payout is a certain percentage. Okay, so we can't request a payout again until we hit 20,000 points. Okay, so that's it guys, very simple to do. It's as simple as that, and like I say, you could do Bitcoin as well. It's a simple way. You just set it and forget it, guys. Just remember, there are various ways in which you can earn, and there are various tricks in that you can earn. So again, at the end of this video, I'll put the other video I've done recently, which gives you 3 tricks where you can actually improve your earnings and gather more points every single day.
Okay, so I've quickly come into my emails, and as you can see here, I had an email yesterday. I've had an email which basically is an invitation to join Honeygain's payout portal. So basically you do have to go and actually sign up for and register for an account with Tipalti first, and then once you've done that, like I say, this morning I've actually gone back in as well, and as you can see I've had another email saying now that my payment has been released and it should be transferred to my PayPal account shortly. So hopefully that will happen, and I'll be able to just do that before I actually finish editing this video.
Okay, so I've checked my PayPal account this morning. As you can see, I've got some money in, 1309, which is pounds, which equates to obviously $20 in the current exchange rate. And as you can see here, it was a payment from XMAC. Now, obviously, I don't know who that is, so I just clicked on the actual transaction, and this is the actual transaction itself. And as you can see here at the bottom, it's paid out by XMAC, and it says payouts at honeygain.com. So there you go. That is the proof that obviously it's come through, no problem at all. So totally legit company here, guys, that you can make money every single month on autopilot. Probably one of the most passive ways to make income at the moment. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that quick fly through of the Honeygain app. Like I say, it's so simple, guys. You really don't need to do anything. Just literally click on the link below this video. Obviously, download it either to your Windows, onto your PC, or onto your mobile via the app, and then just basically activate it. That's all you have to do, and it will start then generating some points for you, which obviously you can then turn into either Bitcoin or into PayPal cash. Okay, so don't forget to watch this video next. This will give you more tips and tricks that you'll be able to use to increase your earnings even faster, and I hope you enjoyed that video as well. That's it for this video. We will see you on the next video. Bye for now.